The best part of modern full-stack development is, well, there is none. That's why we built a workspace that accelerates your entire workflow. From interactively designing your UI and generating components, to building and API testing your backend, all the way to an integrated production-ready application. This is an AI-native environment that builds your app with you. With dynamic resizing and full-stack creation, you can go from idea to deploy-ready code instantly. Let's start with the front end. Forget boilerplate. Just describe what you want. Let's create a header with a logo and some nav links. Gridley's AI understands your request, generates the React and Tailwind code, and places it on the grid. You have full control of the layout. Resize, drag, or just draw a box to define the next component space. Let's try something else. Let's have Google Gemini generate us an image of a funny cat. Gridley will automatically know the context of your selected grid space and create a component there. If it doesn't fit the look you want, you can adjust it to your liking. Let's try something else. Let's make a data table for user management. Right now, it's just a static component. However, that will soon change. If you ever need a change, just ask. Let's try changing our dashboard. Let's create an Add User button. And it updates live. But what's a front end without a back end? Just like the front end, simply describe your API. We can then create endpoints semantically similar to the front end, or we can have Gemini infer from the front end components and auto-generate them for us. Let's try that. Gridley generates the Express.js code and runs it in a virtual server right in your browser. Let's test it. Let's try our new get endpoint. And just like that, our backend is live and serving data. Now for the magic. In merged mode, Gridley's AI automatically analyzes your front end and back end, finds the relevant connections, and finally wires them together. Your static layout is now a living, data-driven application. No code written, no files touched. Let's test it. Let's try editing and deleting users. As you can see, our static web page is now a functional component. Whenever you're ready, you can export the entire project. Gridley gives you a complete, production-ready, full-stack application. It cleans the code, replaces test harnesses with real fetch calls, and packages everything. Just npm install, npm start, and you're live. Stop wiring, start building. This is Gridley.